Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus Exam vocabulary one word at a time. Today's word is whimsical. It is pronounced whim-zi-cool and is spelt W-H-I-M-S-I-C-A-L. Think whim, see, and then cal. Before we get into today's word, if you're taking your 11 Plus exams this year, we're here to help. Visit the Exam Coach website and you can find loads of great resources from practice papers to 11 Plus exam planning tips. Remember to take a look at the upcoming courses and workshop schedule. At weekends and over school holidays, we help children master their 11 Plus exam skills in order to gain entry to their first choice grammar or independent school. Now, back to today's word. Whimsical is an adjective that means playful, quaint, or fanciful, especially in an appealing and amusing way. It is often used to describe things that are imaginative, quirky, or slightly magical. For example, you could say, the storybook illustrations were full of whimsical creatures and fantastical landscapes. Or, the whimsical melody of the music box transported her to a world of make-believe. The word whimsical comes from the word whim, which means a sudden desire or change of mind. In the beloved children's book, Alice's Adventures in Wonderland, the Mad Hatter's Tea Party is whimsical and fun, filled with nonsensical conversations, riddles, and peculiar characters. Synonyms for whimsical include fanciful, playful, quirky, and eccentric. Antonyms for whimsical include serious, practical, mundane, and ordinary. Impress your friends and family by using your new word today, whimsical. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.